Okay, so today we are going to be looking at some new words, okay, vocabulary. So before we start that, let's check in on our homework. Here, what did we have to do for homework?
The first one, we need to circle the word that has ending, ed and ing.
Yeah, good. Ed and ing. So Sophia, when we add ed to a word, how does that change the word?
If we have ed, that means we have do it already.
Yeah,
if it has ing, that means we are doing it now.
Good, well done. And Sophia, what's the big word we use when we say it's already done? We say past tense. And if it's happening now, we say
present tense.
Good girl, excellent, well done. Okay, so Lisa, can you read number 1 for us?
Is baking a cake for dinner.
Good, okay, and what word did you circle?
Baking.
Yeah, baking. So Lisa, is Mum doing that now or she's already done it?
She's doing it now.
Good, excellent. So Mum is baking a cake for dinner. Okay, number 2, Rose.
Dad closed the window when it started to rain.
Good. Can you say, listen to me, Rose. Can you say, Dad closed the window when it started to rain?
Dad closed the window when it started to rain.
Good girl. So can you tell me the words that you circled?
The word and circle is closed, and started.
Started. Good. Okay. And is Dad closing the window now or he's already closed the window?
He is closing the window now.
So he closed the window now or he's already closed the window? So Dad has already closed the window. Yeah, remember, Rose, ed on the end means it's past tense. It's finished. Yeah?
Yes.
ing means it's happening now. So if Dad was doing it now, we would say Dad is closing the window. Yeah?
Yes.
Dad closed the window. It's already happened. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, good. Number 3, banana.
The apple tasted cold and sweet.
Good.
I circle tasted.
Good. Well done. Tasted. And does that mean they have already tasted the apple or they are tasting the apple?
Tasted.
Yeah, they've tasted it. They've past tense. Yeah. Number 4, Sam.
Then hope that her cat was hiding under the bed.
Okay, so I've got hoped and hiding. Okay, so hoped and hiding. Can you give yourself ticks? Okay, Blue Moon, are you there? Can you read number 5?
The children went hiking last summer.
Good. Okay, and what word did you circle?
Hiking.
Hiking. Good. Okay, the children went hiking last summer. Blue Moon, this one is a bit more tricky because it has ing on the end, but there are clues in the sentence. Do you think the children are hiking now or they finished hiking? It's already happened.
Is hiking now.
Are you sure? Because it says went and last summer.
Is hiking past.
Yeah, in the past, because we have clues in the sentence, don't we? Like went is past tense. Last summer, yeah, it's already happened. Yeah, so you have to look for clues. Well done. Okay, number 6. Can I ask Bunny?
So rake the leaves into piles. I circle raked.
Yeah, raked. Well done. Do you know what raked is? Yeah, so when we have a rake, it looks like this. Yeah, this is a rake. So when we rake, we collect all the leaves with the rake. Yeah, raked. Good. Okay, and Bunny, is Todd doing this now or it's already happened? It's in the past tense.
In the past tense.
Excellent. Well done. Okay, good. Okay, let me see. Hands up if you got them all right. Oh, well done. Lots of hands. Good job. Okay, so for the second bit of our worksheet, Moon, what did you have to do? Good. So let's look at the first column here with an ED ending, chased. Moon, what word did you write down here? Say, I wrote.
Started.
Okay, so you've got started. Okay, can you give me a sentence using started?
We all stand at the started line to ready to race.
We all started.
At the line to race.
Okay, we all started on the line ready for our race. Yeah? Good girl. Well done. Okay, excellent. Give yourself a tick. So I have closed as well. Okay, so closed and started. Tick, tick. Can you give us another word with an ED at the end? Taylor, give me another word.
Hoped.
You say hoped.
Hoped.
Okay, give me a sentence using hoped.
I hope tomorrow I can go to the swimming pool.
Okay, remember, hoped is past tense. Can't say I hoped tomorrow. Yeah, because that's past tense and future tense. You could say, I hoped, yesterday I hoped I would go to the swimming pool. Yeah, okay. Right, Sarah, what word do you want to give us?
It's raked.
Oh, say raked.
Raked.
Good girl. Can you give us a sentence using raked? Like, oh, I raked the autumn leaves from my garden. Sarah, do you want to use another word like tasted? Can you use tasted in a sentence? Remember, tasted is past tense. So I tasted a delicious birthday cake yesterday.
This food and this on yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah, good. Remember, it's past tense. It's already happened. Thank you, Sarah. Okay, Kim, we're going to move on to the ing ending. Present tense, it's happening now. Give us a word.
Hiking.
Okay, hiking. Can you give us a sentence using hiking?
I go hiking in Saturday.
I will go hiking. I will go hiking on Saturday. Can you say that?
I will go hiking on Saturday.
Good, excellent. Okay, and maybe you could add more details, like tell me where. I will go hiking up on the cold mountains this Saturday. Yeah, makes your sentence better, more interesting. Okay, hands up, you got them all right. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Good job. Okay, so now we are going to draw this notebook. Okay, it's going to look like this. You need a whole page. Your whole page, you need to draw 3 columns. So we have 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. And the first column, I'm going to write the title word. Okay, so W-O-R-D, word. My second column, I'm going to write synonym. Okay. And my last box, my last column, I'm going to write sketch. Okay, so let's write down our first word, okay?
What?
You are going to tell me what you notice in the pictures or how they are all similar. So you're going to say, I noticed in the first picture, da, 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 da. Or they are all similar because, okay? So let's have a look at our first clues. So Emma, tell me, what do you notice in the pictures, or how are they all similar? So say, I noticed in the first picture, I notice.
In the first picture, I noticed a boy is
Crawling.
under a
It's crawling through something, yeah? Okay, what do you notice in the second picture, Rosie?
cylinder.
A cylinder. Okay, and tell me about the last picture.
A cave.
Okay, so say in the last picture, I notice, or I can see. Has anybody got anybody want to guess what you think our word will be? Looking at the clues, what do you think our word will be? Taylor.
I think the word is cylinder.
Oh, cylinder. Good guess. Good. Anybody else? Anybody? Oh, look, I have some hands up. Lisa, what do you think?
I think it's a tunnel.
Yeah, good job. Tunnel. So everybody write tunnel. Number one, tunnel. 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 So a tunnel is a passage or route that is dug underground or through a hill. So our synonym, so we're going to write synonym passage, P-A-S-S-A-G-E, passage, okay? Oh, what animals do you remember dig a tunnel? What do you think, Mango?
I think a chipmunk.
Chipmunk, yeah, chipmunk does. What other animals use tunnels? We were learning about it in the classroom. Ray, do you remember?
How about a earthworm?
Earthworm, yes, earthworm.
Worms.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Gophers.
Gophers. Yes. Yeah.
In animal building homes.
Yes, good boy. Well remembered. Excellent. Yeah, we've got gophers, worms, ants, badgers, lots of animals.
Vulture.
Moles. Yeah, dig tunnels. Good job. So a tunnel is a passage. Okay, it's what you go through. So everybody say tunnel.
Tunnel.
Milk, can you read the context card for us?
A chipmunk knows how to dig a tunnel, which is a passage underground.
Say passage.
The passage.
Yeah, passage underground. Okay, it's a place we pass through. So for my sketch, I'm going to draw a little tunnel. So I'm going to draw a...
I just draw the cylinder.
Did you? Okay, can you draw like an arrow going through your cylinder so we can see that it's something you go through? Yeah? So a tunnel is you go through it. Yeah? Okay, so I've just written passage. So number one, tunnel is our word. Number two, passage is the synonym. And number three, I've drawn a tunnel. Okay, very quickly. Does everybody remember what a synonym is? Ray?
Synonym is a word that's similar meaning.
Yeah, it has the same or similar meaning. Good job, well done. Okay, so let's get ready to write number two. Okay, so I'm going to write number two now. So number two, let me see who wants to have a guess what our word might be. I'm going to ask Scott. Looking at the pictures, what do you notice? What do you think our word might be?
Circle.
Maybe something to do with circle. Tell me why.
Because I look it so like circle.
Okay, what picture's like a circle?
A wind.
Okay, so if you say in the second picture, Say in the second picture,
In the second picture,
I can see.
I can see a wind.
So you can see a shape like the wind. Yeah.
Yeah.
What about the first picture? In the first picture, I can see.
Third picture, I see one baby bear and one big bear.
Okay, what are they doing?
They sleeping.
They're sleeping in what kind of shape?
It look like a circle.
A circle. Okay. And what about the last picture?
I see a girl holding her leg and sit.
Okay. So can you guess what the word might be, Scott? You said circle.
Circle.
Okay, let me ask, anybody else got another guess? Hands up. Okay, I can see Mango and Taylor. Oh, and Cherry. Okay, let me ask Mango. What do you think the word might be? Okay, so our word curled. So curled is when you make yourself into like a circle shape. So I'm going to synonym circle shape, CIRCLE hyphen or dash shape, SHAPE. And I'm just going to draw like a swirl for my sketch. I know, Misha, do you have a pet? Okay, Misha, what pet do you?
A turtle and a fish.
Okay, does a turtle curl up?
Yeah.
Does it? It maybe curls up in its shell, yeah?
Yes.
Does a fish curl up?
Fish always swim.
Daisy, do you curl up in bed when you go to sleep?
Yes.
Yeah? Sometimes, maybe when you're cold, you curl up, yeah? Can everyone just curl up now and show me curled up? Show me you're curling up. Everybody say curled.
Curl.
Yeah. Duck, can you read the context card for us?
This fox is curled up around its warm, bushy tail.
Yeah, good. This fox is curled up around its warm, bushy tail. So it looks nice and comfortable there, doesn't it? Nice and warm. What do you notice in these pictures?
I think it's tall and short.
So it's something to do about tall and short. What else? What other clues can you see? I know.
The first picture, I see the human and the ruler.
Yeah,
The ruler is tall and the human is short.
yeah, good. So we have a ruler. We have. What do you see in the final picture?
The people is
Measuring? Do you think they're measuring? Yeah. So what do you think our word is, Nam? What's our vocabulary word? Okay, I think Lisa can help you. Lisa, what do you think our word might be?
Height.
Yeah, good. Well done. So our word is height. Okay, number 3, you're going to write height. Let's write together. So 3, and I'm going to write HEIGHT, height. So height is the distance from the bottom to the top of something. Yeah. So the height of my glass is from the bottom to the top. My height of my pencil is from the bottom to the top. Okay. And then for your synonym, you're going to write tallness, how tall something is. So TALLNESS. Okay. Can somebody tell me how tall they are? What's their height? Everybody say height.
Height.
Moon, can you read this context card?
An eagle built its nest at an amazing, but I don't know how to say that word.
Say height.
I got a trick to how to read the word height. If you don't know, you remember the word height, and then just add the T, then height.
That's such a good idea. Moon, did you hear that?
Yes.
Sam said, think of high and then add a t, height. Yeah, how high something is, how tall something is. It's height. Well done. Good job. Okay. Everybody say height.
Height.
Say height, height, height.
Height.
Okay, we've got to move on, okay? Because we're almost out of time. Right, Blue Moon, what do you notice or what do you see? How are they all similar?
Notice which one is the way. The woman don't know the way.
Yeah, she doesn't know the way. Yeah, so it's something to do about way. Yeah, the way. Okay, what else?
Number 2 is the way.
Yeah, is again, you think it's about the way. Yeah, the way something goes. Yeah, and the last one?
Is the way to.
In the last picture, I noticed
In the last picture, I noticed
somebody
they don't know the
moving their head different ways. Yeah. Okay, let's write direction together. DIRECTION. Direction. Okay, so you're not right. Number 4, direction. So direction is the general way in which someone or something moves. So I'm moving this direction. I'm moving this direction. I'm moving this direction. Okay, so direction means the way. Yeah, what is that? How can you give me directions to the supermarket, please? So Alex, have you ever seen birds flying in the same direction?
Yeah,
Okay, and where do you think they are going?
they are going to find the food.
Find food, yeah. So you can see birds fly in the same direction, okay? Everybody say direction.
Direction.
Read the context card for us.
Direction.
An owl can turn head in any direction. It can look all around.
Yeah, good job. Well done. Okay. So your homework is write 4 sentences. Use vocabulary words. Tunnel, curled, height, and direction. Now listen, if you want to challenge, if you want to make it harder, you can choose 2 vocabulary words and put them into 1 sentence. For example, the tunnel curled down underground. Yeah. The tunnel went off in many directions. Okay. So that's your challenge.